Hello, my equestrians. This is take 2 actually because we accidentally pressed the red button.
We have a little birdie.
So we have this setup. We're going to be doing it by Birdjet. We have the bluebird. This one over here who actually is dead. I don't know if you guys can hear it. That's a car. I don't know where the speaker is on my phone actually. It's scary. So this bluebird interacts with this mirror, which goes with this little podium, and he faces towards the mirror where you all can actually see yourself. And my boring old stand that's actually just like a little
like a little
music
dance
box.
Around thing.
That was Tinkerbell.
Yeah.
This one stand
goes on here,
twig, which goes on to these 2 green things. This is brand new. We have this like little feeding thing that you all can't actually really see, but it's like back here. This is the food,
here,
and then this is
where my finger is.
The water. Yeah. So we are going to be playing with this. It is voice activated. I did this in advance. I played with it a little bit. So it isn't really brand new. It's out of the box. I really want to do unboxing videos. That would be really cool, actually.
Yeah, that would.
So we're going to be playing with this little fella, and I am so excited to do it.
And then we're going to shout out their names. This blue one is Crystal.
This one is Blue. And the dead purple one down there is Violet. But that's what we're going to go for.
I called this one Blue because I am blue.
Okay, but
you have Crystal.
We gotta do this. So,
Blue, I know how to turn on blue.
So we're gonna put this one on here. I actually think he sings along. I think they're actually like, the batteries aren't that new in them. Okay.
This one's definitely new. This one barely even talks.
Oh. Fritz was on my legs.
Oh, dude, this one's talky.
Oh, careful.
That one's talky. This one's like...
A cat just went on my legs and it's scary.
Oh!
This is very good. Hold up. So, as you can see, here is the water. Turn them off.
That would be...
Is that one dead also?
Pretty much.
Okay. See, the purple...
Just close the door. Ritz, get out.
This one and this one are older. Yeah. I've had them longer, so of course, you know, the batteries are dead. The blue one right here, I only messed with once. I don't know what the batteries are brand new. I got it at Target, you know. So, this one actually connects to the food, and I think he eats it. Well, he will eat it. But I don't feel like turning him on because I need to talk, and the cat is in outside.
Okay, so let's see that.
So I think you can swing this actually.
Allie, the cat is not wanting to.
Push on.
No, he's.
So
he kind of won, just a kind of it. Come in off. I'll get him off. I don't like this. Do you guys like this? It's kind of annoying.
Yeah, this bird is actually pretty annoying, to be honest.
Yeah.
But I have
some more new toys.
Yeah, so we are going to be doing another video of a different toy. This one was pretty annoying, actually. But you know, it's a bird. It's
But
a
just give this
plane.
a
It's
five.
a. I'll see you guys. Yeah, I'll go for this.
5.
If you're a child who loves annoying things, this toy is for you. So I'll see you guys in the next video.
And
Okay.
I'm not a child who likes to annoy people.